Creating an element is super easy. Anyone can do it. It's like firing 6 trillion bullets at a needle in a haystack where you have no idea where the needle is, and the bullets and the needle are both invisible because they are so small. And you just hope that the bullet and the needle somehow fuse together, and you somehow manage to observe it in less than a second, after which it's gone forever. One man who began experimenting with fusing two elements together was Enrico Fermi, an Italian scientist known for his discovery of nuclear fission, the process that is used inside nuclear reactors. His theory for fusion consisted of shooting neutrons at a piece of an element and hoping that the atom would induce beta radiation, making a new element. Beta radiation involves a neutron turning itself into a proton, thus moving the element up one on the periodic table, since an element is defined as how many protons are in it. His theory was used by Emilio Segre to discover element 43, technetium, proving that it worked. Now, the steps for making Fermi's theory a reality are quite simple but very complicated to set up. Step 1 is creating a neutron beam. Certain radioactive elements like radium and uranium will release alpha particles, particles consisting of two neutrons and two protons. If an alpha particle collides with a substance such as beryllium, the beryllium would shoot out a single neutron. And because of this all happening at an atomic level, mixing powdered beryllium and powdered uranium would release a constant stream of neutrons, giving you all the neutrons you will need for the experiment. Next step is focusing the neutron beam. When the neutrons are released, it's random what direction they will go in because they're small and crazy. In order to make the neutron beam useful, it needs to be extremely precisely set up magnets so that the neutron will go wherever the scientist wants to, and all the neutrons will go to the same place. The beam would be aimed at a sample of an element, just getting trillions of neutrons shot at it every second, and the scientist would wait for something to happen. And when it did, they would record observations and record magnetism and conductivity and many other stuff to prove that they have in fact created this new element. The process of creating new elements shows a lot of human ingenuity and that humans can really manipulate the world however they want. And it seems crazy that you can just change something to something else using something so small that no one will ever be able to see. People have spent thousands of years searching for alchemy and similar sciences that plan to do this exact thing, but in today's world, it is a reality.